Good morning everyone. In today's video we're going to be doing a no-nonsense review of this brand new Yamaha Viking, and you can count on our reviews to be honest and unbiased as we purchase this with our own money.
Welcome to the Timberstone Ranch, guys. I'm Jenny.
And I'm Patrick.
And if you're considering buying one of these side-by-sides, you come to the right place.
The Yamaha Viking is one of the best utility side-by-sides that you can get on the market today for the amount of money that you're going to pay for it. Now, saying that, this UTV has a lot of pros, and this is the reason why we purchased it in the first place, but it does have a few items that I wish Yamaha would have done better. I'll cover the pros and cons later in the video.
And stay tuned until the end of the video. We will give you a bonus tip about an unusual feature that most Yamaha Viking owners don't know about.
So the best and one of the first pro about this UTV is this one of the cheapest prices for a full-size UTV on the market. On top of that, for that base price of under $20,000 Canadian, it comes included with a roof, which is normally about $1,200 to $1,500, as well as it comes with power steering, which is also an additional feature in most other manufacturers, costing between $1,500 and $2,000 Canadian.
One of the things that we don't like about this machine is the stock lighting. Although we don't use this machine at night as much, using the stock light, you can only see about 20 to 30 feet away. That's the reason why we installed this light bar. With it, you can improve the sight distance to about 80 feet.
The second reason why we really like this machine is because it has 3 full-size seats. It is a true 3-seater that can fit 3 big burly men in it without encroaching in each other's space. It is honestly one of the most comfortable side-by-sides that I've ever driven and been in. On top of that, it has a massive bed that is hydraulically assisted when dumping, and it can fit way more wood than any other side-by-side that we own here on the property.
A couple of items that are not my favorite are the doors and the tailgate. These doors are very small and they usually just get in the way. We end up just hopping over them. They really don't protect us when we are in the trails against branches or anything flinging at us. A recommendation that we would have for Yamaha would be to have half doors instead. That would make it way better. As for the tailgate, this machine comes with 2 latches, and it's very, very hard when you are carrying stuff and you want to open the tailgate. You have to either put everything down to open it, or you have to go and extend yourself, and that really hurts your back. So compared to our other side-by-side, we have a John Deere where the tailgate handle is just one handle similar to a pickup truck. And that's more convenient for us when we have our hands full and we just have one hand to put our stuff in.
And the last thing I really like about this UTV, guys, is the smooth gear shifting and the screen display. Unlike our other side-by-side where the gears are really sticky sometimes when it's really cold out or when things get muddy, this side-by-side never has any issues going in and out of gear or the gears being sticky. Additionally, having such a nice display that shows the fuel gauge and what gear you're in is typically an upgrade on most other UTV manufacturers. So Yamaha making this standard was something that was a big positive for us when deciding to buy this particular side-by-side.
One of the things that we wish we would have done differently is purchase a windshield for this machine instead of purchasing this plow. This plow is not good for our climate. It can take about maybe 3 to 6 inches of snow, but when the snow is heavy or it's wet and you're trying to plow uphill, you tend to get stuck, and that's not very good. This is the reason why we purchased our John Deere snowblower, as it does a much better job in our climate and with deeper snow. If you want to watch this video, I will put the link in the description below, or I will put a pop-up at the end of the video. If you've enjoyed this video and found any information useful so far, I would appreciate if you hit that like button. And if you're ready to commit to our channel, I would really appreciate you hit that subscribe button, as we do have more quality videos and reviews like these coming out in the near future.
And now for the bonus tip, I'm going to show you the unknown feature that most Yamaha owners have no clue ever existed. So normally to start the UTV, you would have to be in neutral before turning the ignition on. However, you can start the machine in gear by pressing the brake down really hard and turning on the ignition.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out our John Deere Gator RSX 850, check out this video right here. If you want to watch our John Deere snowblower video, check it out right here.